Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow.
Hello, everyone. This is part 2.
In part 1, we talked about time.
Yes, phone versus future.
And today, we will share a story.
A real-life type story.
Simple, but powerful.
And maybe a little emotional.
Part 1. Meet Rahul. Let's talk about a boy named Rahul.
Okay, Rahul sounds like us.
Yes, just a normal guy.
Not very smart, not very weak.
Just average.
Like many of us.
Rahul had one big dream.
What was his dream?
He wanted to speak English confidently.
That is a common dream.
Yes, very common. Part 2. Rahul's daily life.
So, what did Rahul do?
He started learning English.
Good start.
He watched videos.
Like this podcast.
Yes.
Then,
He felt motivated.
I will change my life.
Exactly.
But,
Yes, there is always a but. Part 3. The problem.
what happened?
Rahul picked his phone.
Oh no.
Just for 5 minutes.
Dangerous start.
One video, then another,
Then reels, then memes.
and 2 hours gone.
Classic story.
At night,
He felt guilty.
he said, I wasted my time again.
That hurts.
Part 4. Emotional moment. One day, Rahul sat alone.
Thinking deeply.
He asked himself, what am I doing with my life?
Silence.
No answer.
Then he looked at his phone.
And his books. 2 choices.
Phone or future.
That moment changed him. Part 5. Turning point.
What did he do?
He made a small decision.
Not big.
No, small.
What decision?
He said, I will give 20 minutes daily to English.
Only 20 minutes?
Yes, but daily.
That is smart.
Part 6. Struggle phase.
Was it easy?
No,
Why?
because habit was strong.
Phone was calling him.
Yes,
Come, watch one more video.
exactly.
Did he fail?
Many times.
That is real.
But he didn't stop. Part 7. Slow progress.
After 1 week,
Small change.
after 1 month,
Better understanding.
after 3 months.
More confidence. He started thinking in English.
Wow, big step.
Yes, very big. Part 8. Funny moment.
Did something funny happen?
Yes.
Tell me.
One day, Rahul said, I am going to bazaar in English mode. He mixed languages.
English master.
But that was progress.
Yes, learning step.
Part 9. Emotional growth. Slowly, Rahul changed.
Not just English.
But mindset.
He became disciplined.
He respected time.
That is powerful.
Part 10. Final result.
After 1 year,
Big difference. Rahul was confident.
he spoke English without fear,
Not perfect.
but confident.
And that is enough. Deep message. Very important.
So, what is the lesson?
Simple.
Tell me.
Take action.
Don't waste time.
Start small.
Stay consistent.
That's it?
Yes, that's everything.
Ending. Emotional plus motivational. You are Rahul.
Your story is same.
You also have 2 choices.
Phone or future.
Decide today.
Not tomorrow.
Because time is running.
And it never stops.
Ending. Empathy. Understanding. Now your homework.
Important one.
Write in comments.
Are you Rahul? Yes or no?
What will you change today? Write 3 simple English sentences.
Example. I waste time. I will change. I will learn English daily.
Keep it simple.
Keep improving.
Keep learning with English2Flow.
See you in part 3.
Bye!
Bye, guys.